Novak Djokovic won the gold medal in men's tennis singles in Paris Olympics 2024. On Sunday, August 4, the 37-year-old defeated Carlos Alcaraz 7-6, 7-3, 7-6, 7-2 at the Philippe Chatrier in the gold medal match. He also became the oldest Olympic champion in tennis. Alcaraz had the chance to become the youngest Olympic winner in tennis, but that was not the case. Djokovic also completed a Golden Slam after Steffi Graf, Andre Agassi, Serena Williams and Rafael Nadal. Djokovic also avenged his defeat to Alcaraz in the Wimbledon 2024 final when the 24-time Grand Slam champion lost in straight sets. Alcaraz did not have the smoothest of starts to the opening set as he saved a break point to hold his serve. He again found himself on the back foot as Djokovic earned 3 break points, but the Spaniard saved all of them to make it 2-2. In the next game, Alcaraz had the chance to break Djokovic's serve, but the Serb saved all of them and held his serve with an overhead winner. The 9th game turned out to be an absolute thriller. Djokovic saved as many as 5 break points to eventually hold his serve and make it 5-4. The veteran found himself on the back foot quite a few times, but found a way to bail himself out. It went down to the wire where Djokovic fetched a set point, but Alcaraz saved it to force a tiebreaker. Even in the tiebreaker, it was neck on neck at 3-3, but Djokovic won 4 points in a row and claimed the opening set in 1 hour and 34 minutes with a forehand volley. Alcaraz would be gutted after failing to convert even one of his 8 breakpoint chances. The second set started similarly where both Alcaraz and Djokovic kept each other on their toes. Alcaraz saved a breakpoint in the third game to stay alive in the match. At 3-3, it again seemed that the set would go right down to the wire. Alcaraz gave himself a great chance of going 5-4 up with 3 game points, but then Djokovic saved all 3 of them. However, Alcaraz won the game to keep breathing. Like the first set, the second set also went down to the tiebreaker as Alcaraz failed to break Djokovic's serve. In the tie-break, once Djokovic stormed into a lead, there was no stopping it. Back in 2008, Djokovic won bronze in Beijing and 16 years later, he finished on top of the podium.